go. Have you ever wondered how your past, present, and future experiences shape the person you're becoming today? Well, today I'd like to share with you my educational journey in the past, my educational journey in the present, and my educational journey in the future. Let's begin. My educational journey in the past started pretty simple. I went to a public elementary school here in Richardson, Texas, where I learned basic comprehension skills and basic English skills. I also learned how to collaborate and work well with others, and I used that transitioning into my high school years. Right, when I was in high school, I gained a deeper understanding of my STEM pathways and who I was going to be, and I took more science-based courses. I also gained a deeper understanding of discipline and responsibility, balancing school life and work life. Now that I spoke to you about my educational journey in the past, I'd like to transition and speak to you about my educational journey in the present. My educational journey in the present is fairly simple. I go to the University of Oklahoma, and I'm in the Gibbs College of Architecture, where I study construction science. I work on projects, and I work alongside project estimators and project engineers. I also learned how to work within the confines of budgets and how to order materials, hire members, and hire crew members, and different architects and designers within the same budget. Within the next year, I plan on applying to the bachelor's division, the upper division of my construction science program. In this division, I want to be able to use this to further my education and have multiple job offers afterwards, after college. I plan on graduating within 2 years, and I also plan on graduating with honors and working for a big construction company in Texas. Now that I spoke to you about my educational journey in the past, my educational journey here in the present, I'd like to speak to you about my educational journey in the future. My educational journey in the future is fairly simple. I will graduate with honors, and I will graduate with a bachelor's degree in construction science, and I intend on using this to work for a big construction companies and have multiple job offers at the end of my graduation, and use that to work either here in Texas or somewhere else. I also intend to work for myself within 5 to 10 years, opening up home building projects and building buildings and skyscrapers, hopefully. I plan on working for myself and owning properties across the world. I also plan on working with project estimators, engineers, and other accountants to work on who I'm going to be and working within budgets to gain more experience. I also plan on opening up charitable homes for people in need and donating to charity. Now that I spoke to you about my educational journey in the past, my educational journey in the present, and my educational journey in the future, I'd like to transition and leave you with these closing remarks. It is important for you guys to learn who you are, who you want to be, and never give up on yourself. Because it is important to overcome these obstacles that you go through. And it's important for you guys to learn that it is okay to be knocked down, but to always get back up. Thank you.